Today we're going to learn how to introduce ourselves in my language. You guys, if you've been here, you already know what my language is. Yes, Kinyarwanda, which I sometimes mix with Kinyamulenge because I'm a Kinyamulenge, and I mix with Kirundi sometimes. So we'll learn how to greet each other, how to introduce yourself if you meet somebody and you don't know them and they don't know you. Even if they know you, you sometimes have to greet them when you meet them. Yes? Okay. Muraho. Muraho. Hello. Hello. Vite. Vite. Hi. Hi. Mwaramutse. Mwaramutse. Good morning. Good morning. Mwagize ijoro ryiza. Mwagize ijoro ryiza. Did you have a good night? Did you have a good night? Yego, twasinziriye neza. Yes, we slept good. Yes, we slept good. Byiza cyane. Byiza cyane. Very good. Very good. Mwiriwe. Mwiriwe. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Mugire umugoroba mwiza. Mugire umugoroba mwiza. Have a good evening. Have a good evening. Ijoro ryiza. Ijoro ryiza. Good night. Good night. Murara aharyana. Murare aharyana. Sleep tight. Sleep tight. Tuzabonana ejo. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Amakuru yawe. Amakuru yawe. How are you? How are you? Ni meza. Ni meza. I'm doing good. I am fine. Witwande. Wowe witwande. What is your name? Nitwa Aurore. Jewe nitwa Aurore. Wowe witwande. Wowe witwande. And you, what is your name? And you, what is your name? Utuye hehe. Utuye hehe. Where do you live? Ntuye, njewe ntuye muri Amerika. Njewe ntuye muri Amerika. I live in America. I live in America. Uturuka hehe. Uturuka hehe. Where are you from? Where are you from? Jewe nturuka muri Congo. Jewe nturuka muri Congo. Jewe mva muri Congo. I come from Congo. I am from Congo. Ukora iki. Ukora iki. Ukoriki. What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? Ndera abana mu rugo. Ndera abana mu rugo. Ndera abana mu rugo. I am a stay-at-home mom. I am a stay-at-home mom. Urubatse cyangwa uri ingaragu? Urubatse cyangwa uri ingaragu? Are you married or you're single? Are you married or you're single? Yego ndubatse. Yego ndubatse. Yes, I am married. Yes, I am married. Oya, ntabwo ndi ingaragu. Oya, ntabwo ndi ingaragu. No, I'm not single. No, I'm not single. Ufite abana? Ufite abana? Do you have kids? Do you have children? Yego, mfite abana. Yego, ndabafite. I have them. Yes, I have children. Nishimiye kukumenya. Nishimiye kukumenya. I'm so happy to meet you. I'm so happy to meet you. Naho ubutaha. Naho ubutaha. See you next time. See you next time. Urabeho. Urabeho. Goodbye. Goodbye.